everyone, welcome to another session. In this session, we'll discuss another framework which is TRIKE threat modeling, and another statement you can see on my screen why TRIKE is most popular threat modeling methodology. We will discuss whether this statement is true, it's most popular threat modeling. Sometimes we see that this particular threat modeling framework is very popular. We will discuss in a minute whether this statement is true or not. TRIKE is open source framework. It implements a requirement model to ensure that risk levels are acceptable to stakeholder. It mainly focus to implement requirements model, and it ensures that risk levels are acceptable to all involved stakeholders. It is open source and it ensures risk levels are acceptable to stakeholders. The key focus is on acceptable risk, determining what level of risk is tolerable for each asset. So what level of risk is acceptable or tolerable for each asset. This makes TRIKE especially useful in environments where risk tolerance and stakeholder alignments are critical, such as regulated industries or organization with formal risk management process, right? So if we summarize it, then we can say TRIKE is used when our main goal is aligning threat modeling with risk acceptance and stakeholder requirements. So we need to analyze the requirements of stakeholder and the risk acceptance. As we discussed about other uh, threat modeling frameworks like STRIDE, we have discussed about STRIDE in multiple videos. We have also separate detailed video on STRIDE. STRIDE is building or reviewing a system and want a straightforward threat focused model. PASTA when you need a deep strategic model that aligns business impact with technical threats. Again, TRIKE uh, TRIKE main goal is aligning threat modeling with risk acceptance and stakeholders requirements, right? So now let's come to this statement. Uh, this image you can see that TRIKE is most popular threat modeling methodology, which might reflect its appeal in risk-driven environments. But in reality, popularity depends on context and use case. So why TRIKE might be preferred? Because it is risk-centric. TRIKE focuses on assigning and managing acceptable level of risk, which aligns well with governance and compliance heavy environments, where stakeholder involvement is also very important. It emphasizes clear risk communication with stakeholder. As we have discussed, it is open source, it's freely available and acceptable, adoptable, making it accessible to many teams. Requirement driven, unlike other models, it builds around organizational security requirement. Uh, I'm not sure whether we can say it is most popular, whether it's uh, really it's like that, but I don't think so. Uh, it is maybe as I said, The risk-driven organization where risk analysis is very important. Maybe in those organization or companies, this particular model plays an important role. Uh, and uh, Trike is powerful where risk alignment is key. I think that is that this statement summarize it. Trike is most powerful where risk alignment is key, but it is not universally most popular in all cybersecurity domains. So that's quick definition of Trike threat modeling. Another threat modeling framework or methodology which we have discussed in this video, it is again another important threat modeling framework for the CISSP exam. Thank you so much for watching this video. If any feedback or question, please share in the feedback or comment section.